Hi friends, welcome to class 5 Google Sheet course, and today for previous classes class 1 2 3 4 kindly follow the link below. So friends, let us get into the next one. In the file option we have share option. So we have seen now actually how to share with our other team members and how to work together so that we can make a very productive data. And here is a new spreadsheet if you want, or any template you want, document, presentation form, and you want to draw any drawing, then make a copy. If you want to make a spreadsheet copy, you can make, and if you want to email someone, you can email, and you can download this, and also you can make this as what is that, offline. As I told you before, try to have in your screen office editing for doc sheets and slides. Here you can see this extension. Already I have a video for link in the below description. You can go and have a look, and please try to have it so that you can even work offline. And this is a version history. It's a really very interesting thing. Even if you have taken a very long leave, you have not come to your office, and you're not sure what your team members has made changes, all you have to click on version history and see version history. So here you can see Tasin Begum on 34/17. My document was like this, and 5/25. So my document was like this. Actually I didn't start anything in that. And the next, actually on 5/25, my document is like this. So this is my current document. So it will show you time by time which date and what time, what all they did. So everything you can just have a look. So this is something interesting which you can try to see. Here you can see July 35 25 a.m. my project was like this, and on this date. So it will give you a clear version history so that you can know that what are the changes has been made in your file. Then the point comes to, if you don't want, you can move to the trash, or else actually if you want to rename your file. For example, I have demo here. You want to rename it as some other extended name, you can do it. And you want to move to some other drive, you can just click on move, and you can actually click on whichever drive you want. You can just click it, and it will just move to that drive. So this is all about this is all you can do by yourself. And next, the point comes to edit. So undo and redo. So all it is nothing but, if you want something we have done before and we want the same action to be again repeated, here we have undo options. So undo will give, so this is the before thing what we did, and again if you do click on, so it will take to the previous option. So this is called undo. And redo, again it will give you back the same thing what we did. So this was a redo option. So this both the options are helpful. Even if we delete something and if we go back to some other thing and we want it back, we can use this undo and redo option. And the next point comes to cut, copy, paste, then find and replace. So for example, I want to find something in, it's a very big large document, so I cannot find. I want to find where PH math. So let me see whether it, so I have selected math and it has to get replaced with India. So all I have to do is just replace all. So here you can see this India has got replaced into what is it called, India. So here it was math and here it has become India. So this is called find and replace. If you want to replace any of those things, you can do it here. And then the point comes to, so you want to insert any row above or row below or column left, column right. You can do chart, images. If you want to insert any images in cell or over cell, there are two different things actually. Over cell it will come, the image will be placed in the outer portion actually. If you want inside the cell, it will be placed. So this I'll show you how to merge image in cell. So let's see. So let me take any photo from my folder, so that here I have a photo here. So I'll just click on here. So here you can see inside the cell the image has got placed. So this image is inside the cell. So, and if you want to have an image overview, you can actually have it. So that insert you can edit and do whatever you want, that type of image. And if you want to make any drawing and you want to save and close here, you can do that type of things also here. So let me show you how to work with drawings. So all I will do is just I'll click any arrow mark. So this is the one, and I'll save and close it. So once it will save and close, it will automatically show on your spreadsheet. So here is the one. So if you want to draw anything, we can draw, and here is the line. So this is the one we can use it for to draw at the same time. And the next point comes to insert image, insert drawing. And if you want forms and the functions, we have already seen the functions here. And the point next, insert link, also we have finished. And then the point comes to checkbox. If you want to add any to-do list in your document, so I'm going to just type here to-do list. So all we have to do is just we have to click here and we have to type here insert checkbox. So select this, and all we have to do is just drag this down. So here it is, we have got our checklist. So here you can write your what are the works you need to do. For example, you need to do according to your plan, some A plan you have, and you have got B plan, and you have C plan, and you have D plan. So the same way you can have your checkbook, so that you can tick mark, and whether if you have done it, you can tick mark and do all that. So this is called insert what is that called, link and checkbox. And if you want to comment, we have already discussed. And new sheet if you want new sheet. And the next point comes to format. Here we have themes. If you want any themes, actually you can use it. So already here prepared themes are for you. You can use it actually, because it will be useful for you. So here it is with the pie charts and bar charts. Many themes are available. You can use it. And next point comes to format menu. Here we can see directions and numbers. So if you want to use right to left sheet, left to right cell, if you want to direct one cell to the other cell, you can do it actually. For example, I have clicked here. I have selected here, and I'm going to click on format, and I'm going to click on direction, right to left sheet. See? So it has come right.
So finally we are done with today's class. Kindly continue in class 6 for more videos. You have to subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
You can add.